If you're someone who prefers homemade curd but the temperature of your home is not favorable for getting that perfect curd, then this yogurt maker is a perfect addition to your kitchen. At my home, the temperature is usually low because of which I'm not able to set that creamy curd. So I bought this yogurt maker from Amazon and let me share my experience with you. So this yogurt maker is called the HSR plastic and stainless steel 1 liter automatic yogurt maker. On Amazon it claims to be a wine maker too, but it is only a yogurt maker. And these are the specifications of the machine printed underneath. So this is the size of the machine and this is how it looks like. It has a plastic body. It has an outer plastic lid. And inside this, as you can see, is a smooth surface, and underneath this is the coil which keeps this body warm. So with this you get a favorable temperature with which you can set your curd in 4 to 5 hours. Now this comes with a steel container in which you put the milk and the culture to set, and make sure that you clean it thoroughly before using it. Now they claim this container to be 1 liter capacity, but it is not. It is a little more than half a liter, and it is a very lightweight steel container. So you can wash the steel container just like your other vessels with soap and water, but for the plastic body, all you have to do is just wipe it with a clean cloth. Now this is how the plug is and this is how long the wire is, around half a meter I would say. Now let us look at how it works. So this time I have taken toned milk and let us see how well we can set curd with it. I am boiling half a liter of this milk. Now the milk is lukewarm and I am adding the milk to this container. Now to this, I will add around 2 tablespoons of curd. If the curd is taken out of fridge, make sure that you bring it to room temperature and only then mix it. Mix it well. Cover it with the lid that comes with this container and then place it in the yogurt maker. Now turn on the machine. The indicator lights up, which means that the machine is working. So I kept it overnight to set, and this is how it looks like the next morning. You can see that there's a layer of water on top. I will drain this water. This water is very nutritious, so do not throw it away. You can use it for kneading dough or something like that. So now I have drained the water, and this is how our curd looks like. Now this time I am using this milk which has more fat than the previous one. This time I set the curd during the day and within 4 to 5 hours I was able to get this. And then I kept it in the fridge to set till the next day. So all in all, it has been meeting my purpose for which I bought this. I use it on a regular basis. And if you stay somewhere where the temperature is usually cold, then this curd maker can definitely be a big help to you.